If you have ever played Dungeons & Dragons, you know that every game is unique and every dungeon master injects their own personality and flavor into the game. So if you're a DM who's not sure they always put on the best performance, or if you're just looking to get some insight to be a better DM, today we're talking about what every player wishes their DM did. Stick around. First up, one thing that all players wish their DM did was to set up expectations at the beginning about themes, setting, and tone. This way everyone is on the same page and knows what to expect from the game. It can be really frustrating as a player to get into a game that you thought was one thing only to find out it's something completely different. Second, players want their DM to be fair and not be completely against them. Many dungeon masters oftentimes feel like they are the harbingers of death and their players are merely their pawns. While it's true that the DM is oftentimes the one who decides what obstacles and challenges the players face, it's important to remember that they are playing the game to have fun. Try to think of being a DM as being the video game console. You are an impartial machine that simply makes sure the rules are followed and keep players moving forward. Third, players want their DM to use their backstories. A lot of times when players make characters, they put a lot of thought and time into their backstory. This is especially true when it's your first character. So when the DM completely ignores it or changes it without consulting the player, it can be really frustrating and immersion breaking. Try to work with your players to see what parts of the backstory they want to explore and use that as a starting point in your story to maybe pull on a few loose threads. Fourth, DMs should make their table a safe space. There are a lot of tools that can be used to create an environment that is inclusive. While I'm not going to go into depth on this one in this video, a simple system can be to have players simply send you a message or an emoji or an icon that you can receive privately as a way to know that, hey, that player is uncomfortable, let's move on, without needing to ask why. This is a game and everyone wants to have fun, so be sure to be courteous if there is a subject that is brought up that might trigger your players at the table. Fifth, and finally, players want more than anything consistency. Setting a schedule is the hardest part of playing Dungeons & Dragons and one of the reasons games fall apart, especially as we get older and have to deal with work and other adulting responsibilities. But as a player, being told that the game is going to happen on X date and time and then having it be canceled or pushed back with little notice can be really frustrating. If you know that you won't be able to make a session, let your players know well in advance so they can plan their lives, and likewise, don't stop the game simply because one person can't make it. Making sure the schedule is kept to is one of the most important things a DM can do to ensure that their players keep coming back week after week. So those are 5 things that every player wishes their dungeon master did. If you're a dungeon master, I hope this video gave you some insight into how you can be a better DM. And if you're a player, let me know what other things you wish DMs did in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Feed your displacer beasts. And we'll see you next time, adventurers.